Congratulations guys, we managed to make profit at least 22,000. So yeah, let me just take a screenshot on this one and let me close the trade. Congratulations guys. Easy. Yes, so today we managed to make profit at least 20,000 USD. And congratulations to trader who managed to copy our trade, managed to learn the price action and also the naked trading strategy and also the ACS strategy. Alright, so we managed to close our trade. Well, again, congratulations. This is the good thing about traders work. If you enroll to our 88 US dollar, you will get pool training, basic to advanced and also strategy. You will get live trading and training. Means we're not just going to teach you how to trade. We practice to master it and also trade together to make profit. So our classes is Tuesday to Friday. We have 3 p.m. to 5 p.m. and also 7 p.m. to 9 p.m. GMT plus 8. And the chat is active. You can chat direct to our traders, to me, if you have any question. And then we're not just going to teach you basic and advanced. We're going to teach you a strategy that you can use forever. And then the good thing, if you are confident to trade, you can get up to 20 trade signals per month. And that's not enough, because if you are, you're working full time and you don't have time, well, once you learn the trading and you understand already the profit and loss, the risk and profit itself, then you can join our copy trading. Just fund your account 200 US dollar and you can join us and make profit together. But again, the risk is there. We make profit, we lost. That's how trading works. So with $88, you will learn the basic of Forex. You will learn advanced Forex, which is the fundamental itself, like why FX market moves, advanced analysis, easy to understand. Site traders use, like what we use, what other trader use, where to get the fundamental, the technical, and also where to get the fundamental for scalper, the swing trade fundamental side, and also the secret calculation candles. And this is important because with the secret calculation, the calculation candle itself will show you the accurate resistance and support area, because yeah, we're using price action strategy. And then you will learn the fundamental, the technical, and sentiment. And after that one, you are doing business. If you are trading, you're doing business. So we need to teach you the risk management. You will get risk management training. You will get psychology of trades. You will get trading plan. What type of trader you will be, you will get it. Scalping, day trading, swing trade, position trading, just name it. And then you will have your journal. Your journal, our trader will check your journal every week or every month, depends on our what type of trader you will be. And then we will teach you also indicators for scalper, for day trader, indicators for trend reversal, and also divergent, demand and supply. And then the most really expensive one, which is you only get this for $88 with us, is we will teach you how to trade using price action naked trading, business trade, and also our signature strategy, which is ACS strategy and execution. So again guys, in traders work, we're not just going to teach you how to trade, we practice to master it and trade to make profit. But again, you're not trading alone, we are trading together. So again guys, congratulations to trader who managed to copy, learn the strategy, and made profit like what we did. Alright, congratulations guys, see you in our next session. Bye bye.